CleanAIR introduces Omnira COMBI Air, an auto-darkening welding helmet with an advanced built-in air distribution system and flip-up welding shield, suitable for most welding processes. Thanks to the large clear visor, it is very convenient for grinding. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. The package includes a welding helmet in a protective bag, hole plugs after removing the welding shield, helmet holder, and detailed user manual in your language. Remove protective foil before first use. Adjusting the headband vari-gear, sweatband replacement. You can easily adjust the head circumference by turning the back wheel. By clicking into the desired position, you will set up the depth of headgear. Set in all 4 places. Flip the headband holders and adjust the distance between the helmet and the face. All 3 pads can be removed and washed or replaced. The top and back sweatband is simply clicked into the headband. The front sweatband is removed by unclicking it and removing it from the holders. The new sweatband is put on in the same way. Removing the headband vari-gear using the vari-cap. For increased head protection, the standard vari-gear headband can be replaced with vari-cap head protection, which is fully compatible with the headband and CleanAIR welding helmets. By unlocking the headband and inserting it inside the helmet, it can be removed completely. Snap off the top part of the headband vari-gear and snap the vari-cap in its place in the correct direction. Then put the headband with a vari-cap back into the helmet. Head and neck protection deployment. The head and neck protection is already installed on the helmet from the factory. You simply remove the head and neck protection from the studs in which it is snapped. You simply attach the head and neck protection back to the studs located at the bottom and back of the hood. Removal and application of the face seal. The face seal can only be removed with the vari-gear headband removed. Loosen the side red screws. Pull out the sides of the face seal. Grab the face seal from the bottom and use more force to snap it out of the holders. Then release the upper part as well. Snap the face seal back into the appropriate holders. Then put on the side pieces. Welding shield removal. Press the trigger and click off with a counter movement. Do the same on the other side. After removing the welding shield, insert the plugs into the holes. You put the welding shield back in by placing it in the respective holders and clicking. To ensure a proper fit, open the face shield to its maximum position. Replacement of the ADF filter and its settings. Gently press into the wire and bend it towards you. Use a screwdriver to gently push off the peripheral wheel of the button and lift it. To replace the battery, turn the battery cover cap. You can set individual ADF parameters using the buttons on the filter. Visor replacement, putting on the protective foil. Several variants of easily replaceable visors are available for the Omnira COMBI air welding helmet. From darkened, yellow, to cylindrical, for which a protective foil can be used. Remove the welding shield when changing the visor, unlock the locking levers on both sides, and remove the visor. When inserting the visor, insert the line on the visor into the slot on the helmet. Press the visor and secure it again. When using a cylindrical visor, you can use a protective foil. Insert the cylindrical visor in the standard way and attach the foil to the protrusions on the sides of the visor. Stretch the foil over the visor and secure the foil on the other side as well. Hose connection. Push the hose quick lock connector onto the hood connection and connect the hose with a simple click. Insert the hose into the hose holder on the headband. By turning the wheel on the headband, you adjust the desired head circumference. On the sides of the helmet, you can adjust the angle of the helmet by locking the individual holes. Adjusting the airflow in the hood, controlling the grinding mode. Airflow settings can be adjusted with two controls. You can adjust the flow in the mouth area with the outer controller. And with the inner controller, you can adjust the flow in the area of the eyes and visor. To turn on the grinding mode, press the grind mode button on the outside of the hood. Replacement of outer foil. To replace the outer foil, simply lift the edge and click. For inserting a new foil, insert the first edge, gently bend the foil, and insert the second edge. Usage of helmet holder. Clip the helmet holder to the belt and hang the helmet by the rear wheel. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.